Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post haul videos, vlogs, shopping, all that nice, fun content. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you like that kind of stuff, shopping, vlogs, all that. Sorry, I just repeated myself. But yeah, it is a fun shopping channel, let me tell you. Anyway, so today we have a Dollar Tree haul, and we have a lot of new finds. And we're about to get a horrid storm, so that's why the lighting is really off right now, but don't mind it, the items are still great. So, let's just jump into it. Make sure you're subscribed and watch my videos. Anyway, so the first thing we got is the Prestige Pack baseball cards. You get 6 trading cards in here. These are just fun, honestly. So, that's why I got this set. Then, found the Scar Cream again. It helps relieve chapped or cracked skin, and like I said in my other video, I have tons of scars from an accident, so this is fantastic. So, about that. Then, we got another pack of baseball cards. Cole Tucker used to play for the Pirates. That's why I got this, or I just woke up. That's why I got this one. Then, I needed another wall charger, so I just got this one. Then, I will always hype up these hair clips. These are fantastic, and if you have thick hair, go get these. My hair is super thick, and these are the only thing that hold my hair up. So, I will always pick these up when I see them, always. Then, I got this Global Beauty Care Super Berry Hydrating Gel Cream. I'm intrigued to try it, so we got that. Then we got the Dermacell Hydra Serum Jet Set Reset Deep Hydration Serum that helps rebuild the skin barrier. And Dermacell is a name brand. Sorry, the lighting is a name brand, so that's why I was like, you know what, we're gonna try this too. Because I love the spray, so why not try that? Then, I got this little notebook, Bring Me a Diet Coke, because I just think it's funny, and I love how it just says Diet Coke everywhere, so I got that. Again, like 20,000 receipts. And I got this notebook because I'm just obsessed with it. Like, I think it is so cute. Like, are we getting? Look at that. I could sell notebooks. I could sell my notebooks. Yeah. She's always here. Sorry, whatever. Then, I got that as a comprehensive program to heal traumatic brain injury, concussion rescue. And honestly, I got this because I had a traumatic brain injury a few years ago, so that's why I got this, because I'm just intrigued to read it. I did not have a concussion, I had a TBI, so hence scars. That's a whole other story. But yeah, so that's why I got this, because I can relate. So got that. Put that over here. Then I finally found these stacked bracelet. I didn't realize they were men's, but I don't care. They're cute. So let me take it out of the packaging. But they were with the makeup, and they would not ring up. So if your cashiers are having a hard time ringing up, it's because they're brand new and they're not really in the system yet. That's what the cashier told me. So, but this is our first set. They're stackable, so you get this, and they are $1.25. And then we got another set. I'm just taking it out of the packaging so it's easy to see. Sorry, I don't want to make you guys deaf with the sound. And then we got this one. So, I think they're fun. And then I just got a couple cases, because these do fit the Dollar General hand sanitizers. Just so you guys know. Now, let's keep going. Then I got the 2-pack of the pineapple coconut lip balm. I don't ever remember seeing this flavor for some reason, so I picked these up, and they're great for travel. So then we got the raspberry butter balm berry jam. Again, I don't remember seeing raspberry. Could I have 10 of them? Probably. No, I'm kidding. But we got the raspberry. I'm still waiting for the new ones. I want the new ones so bad. But for now, we got that. Then we got the body butter, cashmere body butter, and sweet coconut. Again, coconut. I don't remember seeing sweet coconut. Am I crazy? Maybe. We got that. And then I got the melting lip balm in wild cherry because I'm obsessed with these. So got that. Then we got these shoe charms for my cases. So got that. Then I got the Juicy Cakes Orange Crush lip thing that turns your lips pink. I love this one. So we got that. Then we got the Lip and Cheek Balm, and this is in Nude Peach and Cruello. Yeah, I don't remember seeing this one. So, and I love that it's a lip and cheek duo, so got that. Then I got the mattifying setting spray lock-in makeup, and this is in Breeza Green Grape. So we got this one. Then we got the Dewy Glow setting mist lock-in makeup, and this one is watermelon. So I'm pretty excited about these. So we got those two. And then we got the other lip and cheek balm, and this is in Natural Mauve. I'm like, oh, I love that color. So we got this one. And then we got the little lip gloss and lip plumper in Maria Midnight Merlot. Again, obsessed with this color. So we got that. Then we got the Soft Lip Veil in Nude Smooth. So I love this collection, the Cherry collection. So got that. And I love putting gloss over top. And then I got these charms to go on my cases. So that is that bag. Then we got the Fuchsia Sensation Hydrating Lip Stain in Scarlet Flame. Never ever do I remember seeing this shade ever. So I had to pick it up. So we got that. Then we got this, I don't even remember, watercolor eye tint, Shake Well. I don't even remember what this is, but it's an eye tint, I guess. We got that. I have to investigate that. I was just intrigued, the checkout aisle. Then we got the Swipe Stick Blush and Go in Cherry. I never remember seeing this one. So we got this one. And then we got some charms. So we got the green. How precious. We got the purple. We got yellow. We got blue. And the last one, I think it's the last one, is the pink. Super cute. And then we got the multi-stick lip and cheek cream blush and lip color in mauve pink. I'm obsessed with this shade. Also, my eye is so itchy. Anyway, so we got this formula. I really hope it's like the other one because I loved the other formula for the other lip and cheek sticks. So high hopes. So that concludes this video. We had a grand opening store in 2 stores that I always go to. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below your favorite item, what you're on the hunt for. And please don't forget to watch the video, subscribe, share the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.